Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, we will be doing something to prevent the boringness of quarantine, because what else are we gonna do? And today I thought we'd do a little painting. I saw this photo on, no, it was actually a video on YouTube. It's basically a galaxy with a flashlight and clouds in the middle of the flashlight. That was super cute, and I thought I'd try my own version of it. Try to do it myself, and so that's what we'll be doing. I hope you guys follow along, and if not, just enjoy watching me paint and talk. Let's get going. So I'm going to drag this light blue from over here and this white blue from over here and make a lighter blue, and this will create our daytime sky. We're just going to take that blue mixture that we just did, and we will just be painting it in the top corner and bringing it down through the center. So kind of around to here. And you can go out a bit because we're going to be painting over the sides anyway. So yeah, just doing that, thickening it up, making a nice pretty blue sky basically is what we're doing. So now we'll start working on the clouds. I have a white, a light pink, and a red that I'll be working with. And I'm just going to take the white and take my little sponge, kind of wet it a bit. And then I'm just going to pat it in and just start making some fluffy clouds. And now we'll kind of add a little bit of pink into the white and just add some color to it. We're kind of gonna blend it as we go down, so it'll get a little darker as you go towards the center of the canvas. So like add more pink as we get closer. Kind of hints of it in the up here, but then more over here. And then after that, we'll add some red, and that will go at the very bottom. We'll mix that with the white so it's not too intense. So just kind of like that, basically. I love working with sponges. I don't get to do it often, but when I do, I enjoy it a lot. It helps having a camera because then I can kind of like look away from what I'm doing and see what needs some work, what doesn't. Okay. I love it. Awesome. Okay. So now we're gonna let that dry a bit and then we'll move on to the next step. Now that I got that all done and it's dried, we will be putting some tape on the sides so that we can have a defined line, basically, for our little flashlight. You don't have to press it down super hard, but just enough where it stays. Actually, I need a little wider. Just like that. And then you'll do another piece on the other side. It's very long, okay. But yeah, just like that. So we have our nice little daylight part. Hold on, I actually need to paint a little bit further this way, just to make sure it covers completely. So we'll be taking a dark blue and a black and mixing it together. Just getting a nice dark color to start off with. Oh, hold on. And then just starting at the top, we're gonna have our darkest color at top, and then we'll work our way down and get lighter as we go. So now we'll add some white to the blue, just trying to, just a little clump, just to make it lighter as we go down, basically just blending the colors as you go. I'm gonna let this dry again and we'll come back to it. I'm liking it so far. You know, there's always that, just show you my face now. There's always that part in painting when you're kind of doubting how you think it will look, but so far I'm liking it, which is kind of making me nervous because usually when I don't like it, it turns out really good, so I don't know what's gonna happen if I like it. How's it gonna turn out? I don't know, but we'll find out. So let this dry and then we'll be back at it. Now that you have it dried, we are basically going to be doing the same thing we did in the center, but instead of using red, pink, and white, we'll be using black, blue, and white. And we'll just be making a galaxy effect on the outside, basically. Got my sponge all cleaned off and ready to go for round 2. So just dabbing on the outside of the tape. It'll kind of fade out as we go towards the lighter areas and the corners. Just like, basically just doing another one of the, words. What are words? So basically you're just kind of cutting into the galaxy. This is where it would be, but you're just drawing a line through it. Now I'm going to let this dry again, and I'm going to take my black that I need more of, and I'm going to start doing the hills. And I'm going to draw my little person who is holding the flashlight. I'm going to pour some more black, and I will get going on that. I've been rewatching a lot of shows and looking for shows to watch. I don't know if you have any recommendations, but I'm all ears. Right now I'm rewatching Gossip Girl because I love it and it's so good and I rewatch it constantly. So I just picked a classic, a favorite, one that I know I can digest easily. But if anybody has any recommendations, let me know, please. Oakley dokley. Okay, now I'm gonna start going back over the galaxy part because I want to, you know, add some more colors now that it's not wet anymore. So we'll be going back over with black again, just kind of dimming it down a bit. I don't want too much wire color. I want it to be a little muted. This is definitely a simple, fun painting. Doesn't take a lot of talent, which is good. I don't have a lot of that. So, but it's easy. It's good if you're trying to learn how to paint. I would definitely recommend it. Just like with this part, you just kind of got to keep working with it till you get it how you like it. So we're just gonna keep making little stars, kind of. And then we'll take some black and kind of counter the white, so there's not too much of it. So we'll just put some black on this and do the same thing we were doing with the white. Simple. So now I'm gonna be painting little stars in the sky, just around this area. Just getting a white and a tiny little brush, just doing tiny little dots. Maybe a little shooting star. Okay, so it was definitely too far in, I suppose. Not in, out. So I'm gonna adjust and keep painting a bit more. just kind of fix it, I guess. Oof. Okay, yeah, we can fix this. Don't worry, Taylor. It's fine. Okay, and this is it finished. Oh my god, I love it. Hold on, let me flip everything around. Okay, this is the finished product. It hasn't dried yet, but I love it. I'm obsessed with it. I'm so proud of myself. You know, I spent the entire day working on this. I'm a complete mess, but the finished product was definitely worth it, and I just couldn't be happier. And I hope, wrapping up this video, I hope you guys try to do something like this. If you want to do the same painting, go for it. If you just want to paint or do anything, I encourage it, because right now it's important we stay entertained, and I hope that's what I can inspire you to do, basically. And I hope you guys are staying safe, staying healthy, and staying home during this time. And just thank you for watching my video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye, guys.